Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. You know me as a natural health doctor, always looking out for your health. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of aloe vera. This incredible plant thrives in arid deserts, storing precious water within its thick leaves. For centuries, people have turned to this miracle plant for its soothing properties, especially for sunburns. But did you know that aloe vera's benefits go far beyond skin deep? Yes, indeed. Drinking aloe vera juice is like giving your insides a refreshing botanical hug. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your well-being. From aiding digestion to potentially supporting the immune system, aloe vera has earned its reputation as a powerful plant ally. Stay tuned as we uncover the amazing science behind these benefits and explore delicious ways to make aloe vera a part of your daily routine. You won't want to miss it. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns anymore. Think of it as a refreshing drink that loves your insides as much as it loves your skin. One of the best things about aloe vera is how it supports your overall health. This plant is packed with over 200 biologically active compounds. These include vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants. It's like a multivitamin from nature. And because it's so gentle, most people can enjoy its benefits without any problems. Let's talk about your gut. We all know how important gut health is for our overall well-being. Aloe vera can be a true friend to your digestive system. It can soothe and calm the stomach, which is great if you suffer from occasional heartburn or indigestion. Aloe vera can also help with regularity. It gently encourages things to move along, keeping you, regular. This can be a big help if you're prone to constipation. Staying hydrated is crucial, and aloe vera can be your secret weapon. This desert plant is a master at retaining water. When you drink aloe vera juice, you're not just getting a simple drink, you're getting deep hydration. This is especially beneficial if you're active or live in a warm climate. Proper hydration supports everything from your energy levels to your skin's elasticity. So, drink up and feel the difference. We've talked about how amazing aloe vera is for your digestion, but what's the science behind it? Well, aloe vera contains compounds like polysaccharides and glycoproteins. Think of these as tiny superheroes that work wonders inside your gut. Polysaccharides help soothe the lining of your stomach and intestines, like giving them a protective coating. This can be incredibly beneficial if you suffer from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, which often involves inflammation in the gut. Now let's talk about those glycoproteins. These clever compounds help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Imagine them as tiny repair crews, rushing to any irritated areas in your digestive tract and helping them heal faster. And that's not all. Aloe vera is also rich in enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. So not only does it help calm your gut, but it also aids in proper digestion, ensuring you get the most out of your meals. Immune system support, aloe vera to the rescue. Beyond digestion, aloe vera is known for its potential immune-boosting properties. This desert plant is a rich source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. By neutralizing these troublemakers, antioxidants help strengthen your body's natural defenses, making you more resilient to illness. Nature's anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal. However, chronic inflammation can be detrimental to your health. That's where aloe vera comes in. This plant contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds such as bradykinase and salicylic acid, which help reduce swelling and pain. These compounds work synergistically to combat inflammation throughout the body, benefiting not only your digestive system, but also your joints, muscles, and skin. Research backs up aloe's benefits. Don't just take my word for it. The benefits of aloe vera are not just anecdotal, they are backed by a substantial amount of scientific research. Numerous studies support the health benefits of aloe vera. Researchers from around the world have been investigating this plant for decades, uncovering a wide range of therapeutic properties. For example, a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that aloe vera juice significantly reduced symptoms in people with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. This study involved a double-blind, placebo-controlled trial which is considered the gold standard in clinical research. Participants who consumed aloe vera juice reported a marked improvement in their symptoms, including reduced abdominal pain and discomfort. Another study published in the International Journal of Immunopharmacology showed that aloe vera extract enhanced the activity of immune cells, suggesting its potential in supporting immune function. The researchers found that aloe vera could stimulate the production of cytokines, which are crucial for the immune response. This means that aloe vera might help the body fight off infections more effectively. These are just a few examples of the growing body of research highlighting the therapeutic potential of this incredible plant. In addition to these studies, there are numerous other research papers that explore the benefits of aloe vera for skin health, wound healing, and even its potential anti-cancer properties. For instance, a study in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment found that aloe vera gel could accelerate the healing of burns and reduce the risk of infection. The researchers noted that aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties played a significant role in this process. Moreover, preliminary research suggests that aloe vera might have anti-cancer properties. A study published in the journal Cancer Research indicated that compounds found in aloe vera could inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells in vitro. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans, the results are promising and warrant further investigation. The scientific community continues to explore the myriad benefits of aloe vera, and new studies are being published regularly. This ongoing research is crucial for understanding how aloe vera can be used effectively in both traditional and modern medicine. It's important to note that while aloe vera has many potential benefits, it should be used with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, especially when taken internally. Some people may experience allergic reactions or other side effects, so it's always best to consult with a doctor before starting any new treatment. In conclusion, the research backing up aloe vera's benefits is extensive and continues to grow. From digestive health to immune support, skin healing, and potentially even cancer prevention, aloe vera is a plant with a wide range of therapeutic applications. As scientists continue to uncover more about this remarkable plant, we can look forward to even more exciting discoveries in the future. So, the next time you see an aloe vera product, remember that it's not just a trendy ingredient. It's a well-researched, scientifically backed powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you're using it for skincare, digestive health, or immune support, aloe vera has something to offer for everyone. Embrace the benefits of aloe vera and experience the difference it can make in your health and well-being. The science is clear. Aloe vera is more than just a plant. It's a natural remedy with a wealth of potential benefits. Thank you for joining us in exploring the scientific research behind aloe vera's benefits. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of natural health and wellness. Now that you know about the incredible benefits of aloe vera, you're probably wondering, how do I incorporate this wonder plant into my life? Well, the good news is that there are plenty of delicious and convenient ways to enjoy the goodness of aloe vera. Whether you prefer a refreshing drink, a tasty smoothie, or a simple supplement, there's an option for everyone. The most straightforward way to experience the benefits of aloe vera is by drinking its juice. Look for 100% pure aloe vera juice, preferably organic and cold-pressed, to preserve its nutritional integrity. You can find it at most health food stores or online. The taste of pure aloe vera juice can be slightly bitter, so many people prefer to dilute it with water or juice. Start with a small amount, about 2 to 4 ounces per day, and gradually increase as needed. If you're feeling adventurous, why not get creative in the kitchen and incorporate aloe vera into your favorite recipes? Aloe vera's mild flavor blends well with various fruits and vegetables, making it a versatile ingredient for smoothies, juices, and even soups. Try adding a few tablespoons of aloe vera juice to your morning smoothie for a refreshing and nutritious boost. You can also find recipes online for aloe vera lemonade, popsicles, and even salad dressings. For those who prefer convenience, finding the right aloe vera product can be a game changer. Aloe vera is known for its numerous health benefits, from soothing skin irritations to aiding digestion. However, with so many products on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your needs. If you aren't fond of the taste of aloe vera juice, capsules and gels are great alternatives. Capsules are particularly popular because they offer a tasteless and odorless way to get your daily dose of aloe vera. They are easy to take and can be incorporated into your daily routine without any hassle. Capsules are convenient for those who are always on the go. They can be taken with water or any beverage of your choice. Plus, they are easy to carry around, making them perfect for travel or busy lifestyles. The capsules contain concentrated aloe vera extract, ensuring you get all the benefits without any of the taste. On the other hand, aloe vera gels provide a concentrated form of the plant's beneficial compounds. These gels are ideal for topical application, helping to soothe and moisturize the skin. They can be used to treat sunburns, minor cuts, and other skin irritations. The gel is absorbed quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Additionally, aloe vera gel can be added to beverages for an extra health boost. Mixing it into your morning smoothie or juice can enhance its nutritional value. The gel blends well with other ingredients, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Whether you use it topically or ingest it, aloe vera gel offers a range of benefits. When choosing any aloe vera product, it's important to consider the quality and purity of the product. With so many options available, it's crucial to do your research and select products from reputable brands. Look for products that are transparent about their ingredients and sourcing practices. Always read labels carefully to understand what you're putting into or onto your body. Check for any added ingredients or fillers that may dilute the effectiveness of the aloe vera. Opt for products that have minimal additives and are as close to natural as possible. This ensures that you are getting the maximum benefits from the aloe vera. Look for certifications like organic and non-GMO to ensure you're getting the best possible product. These certifications indicate that the product has been produced without harmful chemicals and is free from genetically modified organisms. Organic products are often more potent and effective, providing you with the highest quality aloe vera. In conclusion, finding the right aloe vera product involves considering your personal preferences and needs. Whether you choose capsules, gels, or another form, make sure to prioritize quality and purity. By doing so, you can enjoy the numerous health benefits that aloe vera has to offer. Take the time to explore different products and find the one that works best for you. Now, before you rush out to stock up on aloe vera, let's talk about safety. While generally safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like any good thing, moderation is key. Just because a little is good doesn't mean more is better. Think of it like sunshine. A little bit is good for you, giving you that healthy glow. Too much, and you're in for a nasty sunburn. When it comes to drinking aloe vera juice, start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. Some people might experience mild digestive discomfort like loose stools or stomach cramps, especially when they first start consuming it. This is usually temporary and subsides as your body adjusts. If you experience any persistent or severe side effects, discontinue use and consult with your doctor. It's also important to be aware of potential interactions with medications. Aloe vera can interact with certain medications such as blood thinners, diuretics, and diabetes medications. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding aloe vera to your diet, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing medical conditions. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interfere with any medications or health concerns you may have. Remember, everybody is different. Each person has a unique body with its own set of needs and responses. What works wonders for one individual might not have the same effect on another. This is why it's so important to understand and respect your own body's signals. What works for one person might not work for another. For instance, some people might find that drinking aloe vera juice gives them a boost of energy and improves their digestion, while others might not notice any significant changes. It's all about finding what suits you best. The key is to listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds. Take note of how you feel after trying new foods, drinks, or health practices. Are you feeling more energized, or do you feel sluggish? Are you experiencing any discomfort or positive changes? These observations are crucial in determining what works best for you. If you experience any adverse reactions, adjust your intake accordingly. For example, if you notice that drinking aloe vera juice causes stomach discomfort, it might be a sign to reduce the amount you consume or to try it at a different time of day. Your body is constantly communicating with you. It's up to you to listen and make the necessary adjustments. Aloe vera is a powerful plant with numerous health benefits, but it's essential to use it responsibly and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. While aloe vera can aid in digestion, boost the immune system, and even improve skin health, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Overconsumption can lead to unwanted side effects. Think of them as your partner in health, guiding you to make the best choices for your unique needs. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized advice based on your medical history and current health status. They can help you navigate the myriad of health information out there and tailor recommendations that are just right for you. So don't hesitate to reach out to them with any questions or concerns you might have. Together, you can create a health plan that supports your well-being and helps you thrive. There you have it. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of aloe vera, from its humble desert origins to its powerful potential in promoting health and well-being. We've explored the science behind its soothing properties, its ability to support digestion and hydration, and its potential to boost the immune system. Remember those tiny superheroes working tirelessly within your body, calming inflammation and fighting off free radicals. That's the magic of aloe vera. In a world often dominated by synthetic solutions, aloe vera stands out as a testament to the power of nature. It's a gentle yet potent ally, offering a holistic approach to health that addresses both internal and external well-being. And the best part? It's readily available, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, why not embrace the wisdom of ancient traditions and experience the transformative benefits of aloe vera for yourself? I encourage you to give aloe vera a try. Start slowly, listen to your body, and discover the amazing ways this plant can enhance your health journey. Remember, health is not a destination but a journey, and incorporating natural remedies like aloe vera can be a powerful step in the right direction. As always, I'm here to guide you on your path to a healthier, happier you. Stay well. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.